Mushizushi is a steamed sushi rice bowl with seasoned vegetables, eggs, and seafood. This is a traditional dish served in winter and early spring in Kyoto or Kansai region where we are from in Japan. We'll show you how to make this delicious dish at home. First, we soak dried shiitake mushrooms to rehydrate. Set aside the soaking liquid as it's packed with umami. Slice the mushrooms very thinly. Pour quarter cup of the shiitake liquid into a pot and add the seasonings, sugar, soy sauce, and mirin. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook over medium-low heat until the liquid is nearly evaporated, and set aside. Next, we prepare carrot and bamboo shoot by cutting them thinly. Cut both carrot and bamboo shoot about the same size. Take half a cup of the mushroom soaking liquid and pour it into another pot. Add the seasonings and cook over medium-low heat until the liquid is almost evaporated and set aside. To make sushi rice, combine rice vinegar, sugar, and salt together in a small bowl, stirring until the sugar dissolves, and mix steamed rice with the vinegar mixture in a large bowl. Then incorporate the cooked carrot and bamboo shoot into the sushi rice. Next, we are going to make the toppings. Bring water to a bowl with pinch of salt and cook snow peas for 30 seconds and slice thinly. Next, boil shrimp in the same water and cook for a minute. Take them out, let them cool, and slice them in half. Lastly, prepare kinshi tamago, shredded egg crepe. Beat a couple of eggs with a pinch of salt and cook thin crepes in a frying pan and cut them very thinly, like that. To assemble, divide the mixed rice into 4 bowls and top each with shredded eggs. Cook the sushi in a steamer for about 15 minutes. Afterwards, garnish with shrimp, snow peas, and shiitake mushroom and serve immediately while it's hot. Steamed sushi has milder flavor with no raw fish. Everyone will enjoy this colorful and flavorful dish. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。